How to create webcomics, manga, and webtoon. Phase 1. Body proportions and unrealistic allure. Have you ever noticed how exaggerated some body proportions are in webcomics? Like those ridiculously big eyes, or faces that just seem way too long, or hands almost as big as the head. The face is so small, the legs look totally unrealistic. It's so exaggerated, it's basically breaking the laws of anatomy. So, did the artist mess up, or what? But why does it still work and catch people's attention? In this episode, let's talk about body proportions and the fascination of unrealistic styles. Balanced and natural proportions. First, draw the face. Guys should be about 7.5 to 8 heads tall. Girls should be about 7 heads tall. Divide the body height in half. That'll help define the upper and lower body. If you raise leg too high, the waist might disappear. The chest is halfway up the upper body. The knees are halfway down the lower body. Keep the elbows at waist level. Don't look like a gorilla. Follow these body proportion rules. Your character will look balanced and natural. But that's not everything. You gotta make your character more appealing. Tips to enhance appeal. Lengthening or widening the body can change the sense of strength and elegance. Give it a bold and mature look. Add 1 to 2 heads in height to make the body look longer, like a model. Broaden the shoulders or butt and highlight the muscles to give the body a strong, powerful look. Shorten or narrow to create tension or closeness. Shortening the body makes the character cuter and more innocent. Bigger head, slimmer body, narrower shoulders, cuteness amplified. You can also add fun by playing with contrast. Enhance appeal by triggering desire. Dominant desire. Broaden the shoulders and give them large hands with sharp knuckles. It'll give off a strong, commanding vibe. Submissive desire. Narrow the shoulders to soften the character's look. Big pupils suggest innocence, while lowered eye corners add a soft, vulnerable touch. Touching desire. Bigger hands with defined knuckles enhance the sense of touch. Longer arms, especially forearms, help the movements feel more natural. Fuller, glossy lips make the character more alluring. And adding detail to the toes can subtly increase sensuality. Sexual desire. Accentuate the collarbones to add a hint of sensuality. Longer legs create a more seductive posture, while curved butt and sensual features enhance the character's appeal. Appealing characters reflect what the audience secretly desires. Dominant desire, submissive desire, touching desire, sexual desire. Unrealistic designs are there to fuel the audience's desires. That's the secret to why exaggeration can be so appealing. Add desire to your work. Josei. Add touch and subtle tension to create romance. Yaoi. Add dominance and submission to create emotional tension. Adult content. Add sexual tension. Be bold in depicting sexual features. These characters are attractive because the artist taps into our instincts. You don't have to hold back just because you feel shy about drawing this. Pick up your pen and give it a try. We'll demonstrate 3 common body styles in the video. This video focuses on how to use triangle-based structure to adjust body proportions and shapes in different styles. 1 natural, 2 stretched, 3 shortened. Join us to access exclusive drawing videos.